everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all good. So for today's video I've got a massive skincare and makeup beauty haul that I am going to be sharing with you. I've got things from Look Fantastic, Beauty Bay and a couple other places as well. So if you are new here, my name is Courtney. I do lots of videos on all different things, beauty, fashion, lots of fitness as well. So if that's something that you are interested in, then please oh my god, I feel like that always happens. It's because I talk so fast. Anyway, yeah, if that is something you are interested in, then please do subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my other videos. But yeah, let's just get straight into the video now with the bits that I got from Look Fantastic. So it was my birthday a few days ago and some of my lovely amazing friends got me a £50 Look Fantastic voucher, and I've never shopped on there before, so I was so excited. I was in desperate need of some new like makeup and beauty bits, so I was so grateful that they had got that for me. They also got me this beautiful necklace as well. It's like a crystal necklace. Oh, I just love it. I want to literally wear it every single day. It is, honestly, it's so beautiful. Yeah, so the things that I got from Look Fantastic. Firstly, I'm going to start with these foundations. So they are the Ordinary foundations. I was not disappointed at all. It is what I have got on now and I think it gives such a nice finish. So what I did was bought the Serum foundation and the Coverage foundation. So they have two different ones. The Serum is more lightweight and the Coverage one is more of like a matte. It's just more of a high coverage. So my friend Jess does this. She buys two different ones, one in a darker shade, one in a lighter shade, and she mixes them depending on what your skin colour is like at the minute. So in the summer it might be a bit more bronze and in the winter it might be a bit paler. So you can put more of the paler one and then a little bit of the, you know what I mean, don't you? I don't know why I'm trying to explain it. My friend Jess gave me that tip. She has got a YouTube and Instagram page as well, so if you don't follow her already, you definitely should. So yeah, that was the first one. I'm going to pop all the prices down this little corner here. These are really reasonably priced. They are only in small little bottles, but I'm hoping they will last quite a long time because you don't need much of them, especially this Serum one. It's quite watery, the Serum one, so if you like high coverage, that's probably not the one for you. But as I said, mixing them is a really good idea because then you get the coverage from this one, but then the nice dewy finish from this one. Okay, so that was the first one. The next thing I got was a concealer. So I have been very stupid and not really using a concealer. I've got this on today, so I've put it under my eyes. I've got a few little spots around here, so I've kind of put it on there and just like my T-zone, and I really have noticed a difference. Usually you'd still be able to see my bags through my makeup and also even some of my freckles. I mean, you can still see my bags a little bit, but nothing is going to be a miracle, is it? But yeah, this is the concealer. It's bareMinerals Barepro, it's called, and it is in the shade Fair to Light Neutral 03, but it is such a lovely concealer. It's really nice and thick, which is exactly what you need from a concealer because you want it to hide all those dark circles. So yeah, I've only used it once, but I'm really impressed with it, and yeah, I'm excited to continue using it. This is so cheesy. The next thing is a few skincare bits. So I got this PIXI, what is it called? PIXI Glow Tonic. You can see that, it's a bit shiny. I've heard really good things about the PIXI range, so I really wanted to try this, and the reviews on it were amazing. People saying like it really gives a glow to your skin, so that's why it's called the Glow Tonic. They do lots of different ones as well, so I decided to get the Glow one because I just felt like my skin had been quite dull lately, and I think that is exactly what I needed. It's got 5% glycolic acid in it, and also it does it's a bit of an exfoliator as well. It says exfoliating toner. But yeah, I've only been using that for about 2-3 days now, and I do love it. It goes on so nice. I feel like after it really does give me a nice glow, and my skin's been pretty good lately, so yeah, I'm hoping that that is going to be a really good purchase. Another skincare product, I got this Micellar cleansing water, So what I usually do is cleanse my face, but with water, like with quite a lot of water I'll splash on my face, and I just found that my skin was really, really dry lately. So I spoke to my sister, and this is what she said that she uses, and she really recommended it to me. So I thought I will give it a go. Again, I've only literally used it for 2 days, but I do find like after I've used it, my skin doesn't feel really dry like it would if I had used water on it. So that's really good, and you don't even need to rinse it off. So you literally get a cotton pad, wipe your face with it, it will take all your makeup off, and that's it. Yeah. I don't know where I was going with that, but yeah, I've got the eye one as well. Yeah, so this one is specially designed to take off your eye makeup. So another thing I got from the PIXI range is these face masks. So this is from the Glow range as well, which has got glycolic acids in it, ginseng and witch hazel, and it's a sheet mask. So I had been using like clay masks for a little while, but again it was really drying my skin out, so I thought the sheet mask will be better to use for not drying my skin out so much. And I've used a few in the past, yeah, and I just love after, it makes it feel really nice and soft. So I've not used these yet, so I have no idea what they're going to be like, but the reviews are really good, so I'm hoping that will be nice. I am going to at a later date do a whole skincare routine, like day and night routine, so I'll be using a few of these bits in that video. And then the last thing from Look Fantastic is this Moisture Miracle Lotion. So with this, it's from Sanctuary Spa, and what you do is as soon as you get out of the shower, you put that on whilst your skin is still dripping wet, and then you just dab, like you dry yourself normally with a towel, and that is it. And I just really like that, really appealed to me, because when like you get out of the shower, you dry yourself, it seems like you've got to get all wet and sticky again putting a moisturiser on. So I thought I would see how this works. Reviews are really good for this as well, so I'm excited to use that. So the next stuff I'm going to show you is from BeautyPro, and I'll just get straight into it. So the first thing is this The Ordinary Silicone Primer. I absolutely love this. I notice such a difference in my makeup if I don't put this on now. So what I usually do is put this primer on, and then I'll either put a BB cream on or my foundation, and it just makes it set really, really nicely, and I feel like it gives it that dewy kind of glowy look. If I don't put that on, I notice a difference. I just feel like my makeup looks so much drier. You can just put that on without then putting any makeup on after, and it just gives you like a nice kind of soft look, if that makes sense, on your face. So yeah, love that, would really recommend that. Another thing from The Ordinary is this niacinamide, 10% niacinamide and 1% zinc. So it's meant to be really good for blemishes. So I did try this because loads of people rave about it, and I'm sure it is amazing for them, but I just found that it didn't really do much to my skin, and the couple times I used it, I come out in like a little kind of rash on my face here. You can't see it because I've got makeup on, but I don't know if it was due to this or if it was just due to a combination of other things, like a combination of using too much skincare or putting it on after I exfoliated. Yeah, I don't know, it could be a number of things, but I just haven't really got on with it. I've not used much of it, still lots of it left, so I might come back to it at a later date and see if it makes any difference then. But people do rave about it, so I would say try it out for yourself, because it's meant to be really good at covering up blemishes. So yeah, that I'm undecided on that one. Another thing I got from BeautyPro is this BB cream. It is by Skin 79. It was more on the pricier side, this, but it really is worth the money because it is so good. It's anti-wrinkle and whitening, and it's also got an SPF 30 in it. It's also got UV protection. So yeah, really, really good, and I would highly recommend it. But the only downside to it is that it is whitening, so you might need to add like a bit of bronzer in with it as you put it on. That's what I normally do anyway. But yeah, it gives such good coverage for a BB cream. When I put this on, I feel like I've got foundation on, like with the coverage, but it's really nice and light as well. So yeah, love that BB cream. And also, how cute is the packaging? So a couple more things from BeautyPro. I got this rose quartz roller. It has broke. So I don't know if that's my fault or that it's just really delicate, but I was doing it one day and it just snapped. So that was annoying, I'm not gonna lie. But I'm really enjoying using it still. I just do that with that. It's good because I could just do it at the same time, so it's fine. What this does is help reduce puffiness and wrinkles apparently as well. So I've been using this kind of an upward motion on my face, and then this one for my eyes. What I normally do is put like an oil on my face and then like roll it in. Yeah, but I love using that. It is just a shame that it snapped. And then I got this. What is it? It is a facial tanner. It's called Dripping Gold and it's by SOSU. So I got it in a light to medium. It is really good. So I spray it on my face at night and then let it dry, go to sleep, and I wake up and just have like a nice natural kind of glow. It's not too dark. They do I say that all the time. They do a darker one. I just got the light to medium. You can do medium to dark, but that's perfect for me because I am naturally quite pale, so I can wear this all the time. Love that. Really nice. It smells really good as well. Nice smell to it. The last thing from BeautyPro is this extra hold makeup fixing spray, and it's by Revolution. So the reason I got this one is because it's meant to be good for if you're working out as well. That's what I read it as anyway, because it's a sport fix. I'm guessing like if you get sweaty it will still keep your makeup on. I know there's no point of wearing makeup when you're working out, but sometimes I do. It just happens. So yeah, that's why I got this one, and it is really good. I've got that on as well. I love like a spray. Just once I've done my makeup and I give it a little spray, just makes me feel really good. Yeah. And that is everything from BeautyPro. Now I'm just going to mention a couple other things that I've got. I don't know if I forgot to mention this. This was from Look Fantastic and I just saw it sitting there and I thought, I didn't mention this, did I? But it is just some under eye masks. These have got collagen and green tea in them, and yeah, it's just nice to relieve like if you've got swollen or puffy eyes, and it helps diminish fine lines and wrinkles as well. Other bits I just wanted to show you. I've got this filter by Molly-Mae Fake Tan. I have used this and I'm in the middle of filming a video for it, which is going to be a review of what I think of it. So I'm not going to say much about it in this video, but I just wanted to show you the Fake Tan. I got it in extra dark. I also got the mitt to match, which I love. Look, it's got a little thumb. As you can see, I've used it. But yeah, that's another thing I got. And then a couple other things. My sister got me these for my birthday. So they are just face oils. So this one is Rose and Neroli Day Facial Oil. So I've been using this day and night, and it's by SISKIN, which are brilliant. They're all cruelty-free and vegan, and just amazing. They're so good. And these are just some nighttime oils. So this is lemon and sea buckthorn nighttime treatment oil, and this one is frankincense and jasmine night facial oil. So I've been putting these on in the night and then this one on in the daytime, and oh, it's so nice. Like, they make my skin feel so silky and soft and just lovely. So what I've been doing as well is putting the, I'm looking for something, can you tell? I was like panicking. But I put the oil on and then I roll the quartz thing over the top of it. And then the last thing is a toothbrush. I bought a toothbrush for my birthday, that is right. But how nice is it? Black and gold. Yeah, and also it's got 3 different settings. I don't know why I'm saying like this, I just wanted to add it in. It's really got no relevance to this video, if I'm honest. But yeah, that's my toothbrush. It comes with this head as well, which is like a flossing one. Yeah, okay. And that is it. That is the end of the video. Wow, that was a lot of stuff. Yeah, but that is everything I got from Look Fantastic, BeautyPro, and then a couple other places. But as I said, I am doing a review of this Fake Tan, in the middle of doing that now. So look out for that video. That will be in the next few days. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy this video, and if you did, please do give it a little thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my other videos. And yeah, I will see you in another video. Bye.